Hey, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking with some friends. How about you?
I stayed home and watched a movie. What did you hike?
We hiked up a mountain nearby. The view from the top was amazing.
That sounds awesome. I should try hiking sometime.
You definitely should. It's a great way to relax and enjoy nature. Hi, do you come to this library often?
Yes, I usually study here in the afternoons. It's quiet and peaceful.
That's nice. I'm new here. Do you know where the English grammar books are?
Yes, they're on the second shelf near the window. I can show you.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Happy to help.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thanks. I'm waiting for my English class to start.
Oh, me too. Are you in the beginner level?
Yes, I just started last week.
Great. We might be in the same class.